Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXC Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So we've taken a look at our fabulous women heading into the NCAA Division 1 Indoor Track and Field Championships. Now it's time to take a look at our men. Were you worried? Were you thinking that there were no men? Of course they are, Trackies. No, they're also doing it big. So yes, they get their own video and I'm going to be telling you what to look forward to from a male perspective at the NCAA Division 1 Indoor Track and Field Championships coming up again, as I said, the 7th through the 9th of March, really Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, right? So make sure you stay tuned to TXT Track Time. Now, kicking things off, I'm going to start with the men's long jump. We have here not only, a collegiate leader, but a world leader in the men's long jump. Wayne Pinup. Wow. Now he represents Arkansas Trackies and he leads the collegiate ranks with a jump of 8.34 meters. Now, Trackies, as far as I'm concerned, when it comes to Wayne Pinup, as long as he executes, he will definitely be taking this competition hands down. Now, the big question is, considering that, I believe that there are big things afoot for Wayne Pinnock in the near future. I'm wondering if we could see maybe an 8.4 or maybe an 8.5 indoors. Now, if we get that, Trackies, I can just imagine how mind-blowing he would be when we get outdoors. But for now, I'm excited and I believe he will walk away with the win here in the men's long jump. But he's not the only Jamaican we have in the lineup. We also have Jordan Turner. He represents Florida State and he has jumped a 7.94 meters so far. And we also have Nikolai Williams. He represents Oklahoma and he has jumped 7.84 meters. So three representatives in the men's long jump, pretty much representing the landscape of jumping in Jamaica. We are doing it big. Now, Jack is moving on to the men's high jump, another event that we're leading collegiately in. Now, we have Romain Beckford here, and he represents Arkansas, and he has jumped 2.27 meters so far this season. Now, track is, I'm expecting him to walk away with the win, but he will have challengers, and the challenger, in my opinion, the challenge will come from Devin Loudermilk. He has jumped 2.26 meters so far this season. But listen, this is a man, Romain Beckford, that has gone to the World Championships, so he knows what it's like competing at the highest level. So I believe he'll be able to channel all of that experience and walk away with this indoor title. Now, Jack is moving on from the men's high jump. We're getting into the men's triple jump. I'm telling you, the field events are doing it big, and I'm excited for the rounded team I'm seeing Jamaica construct this season. Track is now the men's triple jump. We actually have in this lineup, track is another collegiate leader, Luke Brown, and he represents Kentucky and he has jumped 16.80 meters so far this season. Now, personally, when it comes to Luke Brown, my opinion is this is his competition to win, but not only that, I'm eyeing Luke Brown potentially also getting into 17 meters. Now, if that happens, Trackies, it kind of tells you that Jamaica is experiencing a glory period in the jumps. The triple is also one of those events that we're looking really good in, so it will be interesting to see Luke Brown join that 7-meter club indoors. And you know what that means? Outdoors, it's going to be even more fantastic. Going to jump straight into, the track finally, right? Into some track events we go. So the men's 400 meters is where I will begin. And we have a few entrants here. And Javon Powell, ranked 7th so far, representing Florida, has run 45.35 seconds. We also have Shamir Uta, 13 ranked, and he represents Texas Tech, and he has run 45.70 seconds. As well, we have DeAndre Anderson. He represents Clemson, and he has run 45.85 seconds. Now, Jackie, this 400 meters is actually really, really good, and I'm excited to see what our athletes will be able to do. Don't forget, though, Christopher Morales Williams is here. He is the man that unfortunately did not get his world record ratified, the 44.49 seconds. This is another opportunity for him to, run fast and potentially get that world record ratified. As long as the NCAA gets it right, they better make sure they get it right and have those blocks wired. Now, other than Christopher Morales Williams, though, everybody in this race is pretty much low to high 45 seconds. So this is going to be a real bang up 400 meters. And it means that our Jamaicans can potentially get up into the top ranks here as well. So I'm excited for the four and I'm looking forward to the results. Now, jumping from the four, we go to the two, and we have here representing Jamaica, Demar Francis, and he goes to Baylor and he has run 20.49 seconds. Now, what is very interesting when I look at the times here, the first ranked athlete, Terrence Jones, has run 20.28 seconds. So when we look at the first ranked all the way down to Demar, ninth ranked, that has run 20.49, that's literally hundreds of a second that have separating, or that is separating first place from ninth place plus everybody else in this race. And look here, trackies, the 16th person has run 20.67 seconds. So, yes, everybody is really close. And this 200 meters is also going to be a bang up race. Now, I've talked about Demar Francis getting into the lower part of the 20.4s. He did that. I'm hoping that he can go lower again. And of course, when he gets outdoors trackies, it means that we could be getting sub 20. When is the last time that a Jamaican has run sub 20? Listen, he will be carrying a halo around his head if he does this, because Jamaica has been in the wilderness for a few years. I won't lie, and we're dying to get some athletes doing well in the 200 meters again. And Demar Francis is doing it big, so I'm looking forward to his performance as well. Now, trackies, moving on from the men's two, we're going to go to the men's eight. Another event that we're doing well in and pushing barriers or moving the barrier or kicking down the door in is this 800 meters. Now, before we get into the Jamaican representatives, I want to shout out to our Caribbean brother, Handel Roban, representing Penn State. He has run 146.81 so far this season, and he ranks sixth. Now, the Jamaicans now, Rivaldo Marshall from Iowa has run 146.86 seconds, and we also have Therese Roden from Clemson that has run 147.08 seconds. So, trackies, those are the Jamaican representatives. One is 7th rank and the other is 13 ranked. So let us see what happens in this men 800 meters. Now, Tyrese looks like he's ready to do something crazy all season. So I'm excited to see what he'll be able to do. As well, Rivaldo Marshall running fantastic, 146.86. Trackies, I'm telling you, our Jamaicans are knocking down the door in the men's 800 meters. Excited for them, absolutely. Now, moving on from the men's 800 meters to the men's 600 meters, we have Demario Prince, 11th ranked going in based on times, representing Baylor. He has run 7.64 seconds so far this season. We also have Jaheim Hales from Syracuse. He has run 7.65 seconds so far this season. Now, trackies, as I said, Demario Prince is 11th ranked and Jaheim Hales is 14th ranked. You may be thinking, oh my gosh, that sounds so bad, but no. First place or first ranked in the men's hurdles has run 7.55 seconds. So if you think about a 7.55 versus a 7.64 and a 7.65, that's not a big gap, trackies. So yeah, the Jamaicans are definitely in it and they will be turning up to compete. We also have Brighton senior trackies from Nebraska and he has run 7.66 seconds. We're going over to, yes, another field event, the men's shot put. Now, trackies, we actually have four representatives here. Again, the landscape of what's going on in Jamaica in track and field is, mind boggling at this moment. We are participating in so many field events and we're doing absolutely great. Now, again, as I said, we have four entrants here. Kicking things off, 5th rank, Roger Stoner from Arkansas. He has thrown 19.94 meters so far this season. Also, 12th rank, Kai Chang from Florida. He has thrown 19.36 meters. We also have Warren Barrett from Liberty, and he has thrown 19.35 meters. And we have Courtney Lawrence from Clemson, and he has thrown 19.32 meters. So, yes, track is a big four representing Jamaica collegiately at the indoor championships. I'm excited to see what's going to happen here. The leader, Alexander Collingscoff from Georgia, has thrown 20.45 meters. So, it will be interesting to see if Rajay Stone and maybe Kai Chang, any one of the Jamaicans will be able to challenge him and potentially, finish higher on the table for the championships. All right, now, Chuck is moving on to the final event that I want to cover here, and this is the men's weight throw. We have representing Jamaica, Daniel Cope, going in with the 11th furthest throw from Kempson, throwing 22.75 meters. So, track is again, once our Jamaicans are in the competition, we're definitely in it to win, and I'm excited to see what Daniel Cope will be be able to do in this competition as well. So, Chakis, that is it for our men. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which event are you looking forward to most? Which Jamaicans do you think will be able to capture indoor titles or indoor crowns? Sound off, like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.